Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to send car gift in Forza Horizon 6. First, open the pause game menu. Under it, we need to go to cars tab, then select gift drop from here. Now it will show you all the cars you own. Select the car you want to gift. Let's say I want to gift this car, then I need to select it. Now we need to select whom we want to send the gift to. So we have bunch of options: anyone, new players, new Horizon legends, returning players and community contributors. Basically we have to pick any of the options from here and they will pick random player according to that option. Suppose if I select new players, then they will randomly pick any of the new player and give this card to them. Basically we can't pick our friends or any of the person we know. We can only send the gift to any of the random person. So they have intentionally removed the friend option so that people can spend more in the game. Hope this clear things up. If it did, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.